Okay, a quick update for everyone. Yes, the car is still in the garage. I'll wheel this out tomorrow. Start tearing into this, getting everything tore apart and getting the motor pulled. As for now, here's my new to me L32 block. Got everything torn down, harmonic bouncer off. Everything's looking pretty good. I just sprayed a little JB80 on it just to keep it from rusting. Got it somewhat cleaned up. As you can see, I'll clean out the top of the pistons. I do gotta get my cover everything up, and I think I'll sandblast on the sides before I paint it. So I have to get everything covered up to keep the sand from getting inside, but that won't be too difficult. So this is where I'm at now, and when I'm done, we won't even notice a difference, and they'll be sitting in here looking just like that. So hopefully I'll get a bunch of this tore apart tomorrow. Later.